In this tutorial, we'll go over the basics of the new SiteCenter. As you can see, the SiteCenter has a new layout. It's a little bit cleaner and easier to use. We've also added some additional functions such as customizing the links at the end of your website address and setting up meta tags for each individual page. As you can see, the SiteCenter is basically laid out in a tree structure. To add a new page to your website, you'll simply click the New Page option, and then it will ask you where you would like to add this page. If you'd like to create the page on the top level, you'll select Top Level. If you want to create it as a subpage underneath something, you will just choose the appropriate page name. For this example, I'm going to choose Top Level. It will ask for the page name, so I will call this page Contact Us. And then it will simply ask you what type of page it is, if it's a catalog, if it's a form, if you're linking to an external source, or is it just a regular custom page that you're going to create on your own. I'm going to choose Page. I'll choose Save and Continue. This will process my request, and then it brings us to the page content. Now you should be familiar with the editor. It works exactly the same. So you'll build your page content using the editor below. One of the newer functions that we have is the actual page header tab. So if you select page header, you can actually customize the page title. You can customize the page description. You can give the page specific keywords. You can give this page specific meta tags, and you can actually customize the URL extension. So I can say this is /contact if I'd like. If you enter any data into these fields, you choose Save, and that processes these changes. So if we look at the top of the page, you'll notice the address for this specific page is my website address and ends in /contact. So let's go back to my sitemap. This is the actual page that shows a list of all the pages on your website. If you need to actually modify one of these existing pages, all you need to do is just click on the name of the page, and this will bring you directly to the editor, and you can make any changes to the page that you'd like. Again, if you want to customize the extension or change your meta tags and keywords, just select the Page Header tab. Now let's go back to the sitemap, and let's just take a look at the tree structure again. One of the new functions that we have added is a show all and hide all option for the specific pages. So the pages that you actually see here right now, these are pages that I have visible on my website. It doesn't necessarily mean I have other pages that are turned off. So one of the new functions that we've added is the ability to toggle pages on or off and hide or show them. So in the upper right hand corner, you'll see an option here that says Show All. So if I click on Show All, it will actually list all the pages that I've created in my StructuredWeb account. Now, this can be very cluttering and confusing, so I've actually turned a lot of these pages off, so my interface is very nice and clean. So if I click Hide Not Visible, it will actually turn them off. You can delete pages if you'd like. So if I toggle them all back on, I can actually put a check in the box next to each page I'd like to remove, and just simply select the delete option. Confirmation window will appear just confirming that you'd like to delete these. If you'd like to delete them, you just choose Yes Delete, and it deletes the pages from the system. I'm just going to let that process, and I'm actually going to hide these pages that I don't have available. Now if you do want to turn on or off pages, very simple. All you do is come to the check mark on the right hand side of the screen, and you just click on it, and that will turn that specific page off. And if you click on the red check, again it will turn it on. Now you can sort the order of your menu items and these pages. To set the sort, just come to the top of the screen, choose the Sort button, select the top level, and then you can drag and drop the order you'd like them to display. Click the Save button, and that will change the order of these pages. You can actually move pages as well, so if you'd like to move a subpage from one area to another, you can. just select the Move a Page button, click the subpage you'd like to move, and then select the location you would like to move it to. So I'm going to move this page underneath New Deals, and as you can see, it moves it underneath New Deals. To access your forms, simply select the Forms tab at the top of the page, and this will list all the forms that you have on your website. The Forms section works exactly the same way. And now the last option I'd like to show you is the Report section. Again, this is another new function that we've added into the SiteCenter. The Report section allows you to integrate your Google Analytics account directly into StructuredWeb, and you can actually view the reports right inside StructuredWeb. So you can sign up for Google Analytics by going to google.com/analytics. Once you sign up, they will give you Analytics account ID. You'll simply paste that into the ID field, select the Save button, and then all of a sudden you'll start returning results as to how many page hits you're getting, where clients are coming from to visit your site. Now this can take up to 24 hours to start processing, but go ahead and sign up with Google Analytics and apply your account code here, and then you'll have some very good tracking capability for your website. If you need any further assistance using the new SiteCenter, you can contact our customer support at 888-584-6480, and any service representative can assist you. Thank you.